Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So don't you want your Facebook friends to see what you are selling? Facebook Marketplace allows you to hide listings from your friends in just a few taps. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to hide your listings from friends on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So what hiding from friends means? So hiding your listing from friends allows you to prevent friends from seeing your items, avoid awkward questions, keep business separate from personal life, and sell more privately. So your listing still appears publicly in Marketplace. Okay, so you have to know that. So now open your Facebook application, tap the Marketplace icon on desktop, click Marketplace from the left sidebar, click Sell and click Create Listing. Okay, so choose, for example, vehicle. You want to sell a vehicle, just an example. Okay, so this option appears during listing setup. So scroll down in the listing details and toggle on hide from friends. So after you type the title, the price, the category, the condition, the description, the location, tags, okay, everything, and then you get into the last option, choose privacy settings. Okay, here you can see hide from friends. So this listing is still public. If you hide this listing from friends, they won't see it in most cases. Okay, so you just toggle on this option, so switch should turn blue. Okay, and friends won't see the listing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.